Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most adorable showdown of the year. The stadium is packed and the energy is electric as millions of fans around the world tune in to see which team will rise to the top and be crowned champions. This is the Furbabies Puppy Bowl. I'd like to take a moment and thank our sponsors for the game today. We have Stella and Chewy's, only the good stuff, Nandog Pet Gear, and Becky Hard Seltzer. Now let's take it outside the arena as the players are arriving before they hit pause to the field. In just a few moments, two of the best teams in the league will square off in battle for the championship. Let's take a look at Team Fur. Now this roster is the epitome of excellence. Keep an eye on Rari today. He is tiny, but he is mighty. Also keep an eye on Keith, the linebacker. Next, let's take a look at Team Babies. Of course, we've got Juice, the running back, furry and always in a hurry. And who could forget Franklin and Fiona, the dynamic duo. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. These players are fired up and ready to hit the field. So buckle up, because this is sure to be an exciting one and the most adorable one. Today's referee is Brittany Brennan, here to make sure these dogs don't get too out of hand.
All right, guys, we're gonna have a clean game with sportsmanship. Let's shake it. Can we shake?
We got the people shake all the way. Ain't no time to wait. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? All the way. Ain't no time to wait. Yeah. Can you see me now?
And this game is underway.
Oh, touchdown!
That's 4 touchdowns in a row for Team Babies.
Oh, roughing the passer.
You can just see these players are giving it everything they've got. How adorable is that? Two teammates wanted to take the toy in the end zone together. As the first half comes to a close, you can tell these dogs are excited to get in that ball pit. Today's halftime show is presented by Becky. What better way than to spend the break in the personality pit? There's a lot of personality going on and some of the cutest faces I have ever seen. And we head over to Sedona, trying to get a little halftime snack from Stella and Chewy's. And Zoa is clearly ready for a nap inside the Nandog bed. Playtime is over. It's time to get the second half started. Zoa starting off strong again with another touchdown.
We're outside. We're outside. Excessive everything.
I'm motivated. I'm so elated. I'm with the fam.
Let's do something chaotic for me.
Life is good.
Touchdown!
Throw the cap. We graduated, yeah. I'm used to it, so you know I had to settle in. My future bright light.
And as the clock winds down to 0, Zoa hits the turf. And that's it, folks. Team Fur 105, Team Babies 106.
Now introducing our MVP of the pink team. Yes, this is for you. Yes, baby, and the game-winning ball. This is perfect. In our MVP of the blue team. Yes. Oh, we love the trophy. Thank you for tuning in to Furbabies' first annual Puppy Bowl.